Good afternoon, students. In the previous slide or in the class, you had been studied about the reproduction and lifespan of a different organism and the phases of life. Today I will tell you the different types of reproduction is very important, already studied in the previous classes also. Reproduction basically are of two types. Number one, asexual reproduction, and number two, sexual reproduction. Asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction means in which sex organs are not involved. Reproduction is there, but without sex organs, called as asexual. A means not. Asexual. While during the sexual reproduction, the sex organs are involved, whether it is plants or animals. All the plants does not have the sex organs, but all the animals, if they perform the sexual reproduction, they have the proper or definite sex organs. On the basis of the presence of sexes, animals are of two types, male and female. I will tell you later on. Asexual reproduction has, the chart is given. Asexual reproduction, these are the different types of asexual reproduction. Number one, fission. Number two, fragmentation. Number three, regeneration. Number four, budding. And number five, vegetative propagation. इन पांचों टाइप्स में किसी भी रिप्रोडक्शन में सेक्स ऑर्गन्स का इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता है बच्चों. क्लियर? सेक्स ऑर्गन्स इन्वॉल्व नहीं होते. फिशन आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. फिशन मीन्स ब्रेकिंग. आपने क्लास 11th में केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा होगा, न्यूक्लियर फिशन, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन. Fission means breaking. The same concept is here. Fission means breaking of the organism. Binary fission. Bi means two. Organism divides into two. Amoeba belongs to phylum Protozoa. Simplest organism. Definite shape is absent, the body shape is different. Multiple fission means when the organism is divided into two parts, a binary fission. When number of parts are given, called a multiple fission, found in plasmodium. यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज़ आपको क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूँ. आगे आप क्लास 12th में एक इसकी लाइफ साइकिल आपके कोर्स में है. Plasmodium is called as malarial parasite. Mostly students जैसे पूछते हैं कि वो means what is plasmodium. Everybody says plasmodium is an organism, but one thing that I want to clear you, that the plasmodium is a malarial parasite. Malaria is caused by plasmodium. Mostly students says that in the during the respective classes ki means malaria is caused by mosquito. It is not right. That is vector. Then budding, external budding, internal budding. Bud means like the flower, the external outgrowth visible in hydra. Hydra belongs to phylum Coelenterata. Internal budding shown in Spongilla. This is type of asexual reproduction. Regeneration, fragmentation means organisms having different type of fragments shown in Spirogyra. Spirogyra is an algae. Here I want to clear you that the algae are chlorophyllous. Mostly algae are chlorophyllous because they have a pigment called as chlorophyll. Regeneration shows in planaria. Then vegetative propagation. These are the different methods of asexual reproduction. Again, I want to clear you that during this type of reproduction, sex never participate. No involvement of sex takes place. These are the different type of vegetative propagation. Vegetative parts. What are the vegetative parts? When the root, leaf and stem are able to produce new type of plants are known as vegetative reproduction and also called vegetative propagation. On the basis of that, there are methods: runners, rhizome, leaf buds, tuber, offset and bulbils. These are the methods of vegetative propagation. Here the different nodes and buds are visible in ginger. Potato also shows, potato में आप लोगों ने eyes देखी होंगी. These are basically the germinating eye buds. Is a method of vegetative propagation, right? This is offset, and this type of reproduction called as asexual reproduction because vegetative propagation is a part of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction reproductive structures are zoospores. Zoo means animals, spores, but it's asexual part. Found in Chlamydomonas. Again, it is an algae, chlorophyllous. Conidia, penicillium. The scientific name is Penicillium notatum, having the conidia. Birds, example, Hydra, Hydra oligactis. The scientific name of Hydra belongs to phylum Coelenterata, shows the external buds. These buds, when matures, remove from the parent part and form the new individual. That is called as, because no two organisms involved, called as asexual reproduction. Fourth is called gemmules, present in sponges. Is a structure is very clearly visible, is very important. Gemmules are the asexual part of the sponges. Sponges belongs to phylum Porifera. Please go through these slides. Go through this means contents. If you have any problem, then please note down. Tomorrow I will meet on the same platform and I will clear you. Thanks.